In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI dashboard in Lovable. First, head to the Lovable Home dashboard. Once the page loads, take a second to orient yourself. You'll see your workspace and an assistant panel called Ask Lovable. This is what we'll use to generate the dashboard quickly. Next, open Ask Lovable. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a chat box or a button that expands into a prompt field. Either way, click it to bring the cursor into the prompt area so you can describe what you want. Now type a clear prompt for the AI dashboard. The more specific you are, the better the first result will be. Describe the goal of the dashboard, the audience, and the key metrics you care about. For example, you might ask for a performance overview with tiles for revenue, conversion rate, and active users, plus a line chart for trends over time, a bar chart that breaks results down by region, and filters for date range and product category. If you have preferences for layout, color theme, or naming conventions, include those too. Plain language works great, so focus on outcomes and readability. When you're happy with the prompt, press Enter to submit. Lovable will process your request and begin assembling the dashboard. Give it a moment. You'll see components appear as the system interprets your instructions. If the first pass misses something, add a short follow-up message to refine labels, swap a chart type, or adjust the filters. Iterating in the same thread helps the assistant keep context while it updates the layout. With a draft in place, move into editing. Click any card or chart to adjust titles, units, number formats, or colors so they match your brand and improve clarity. Resize elements to create a clean visual hierarchy, and check that tooltips and legends are easy to understand. For time-based visuals, confirm the default date range and sorting behave as expected. If you notice empty states, add friendly messages that explain what to do next. When everything looks right in preview, you're ready to publish. Finally, click Publish. Confirm the settings, then push it live so your team can use the dashboard. After publishing, keep an eye on how people interact with it and return to Ask Lovable or the editor whenever you need to iterate. That's it. You went from a blank canvas to a polished AI-assisted dashboard in just a few steps.